Hello friends, welcome again. And this is my new project Bookshop Management System, and I have developed this project in Node.js. The version for the Node.js I'm using is the Node version 15. For database I'm using the MySQL, and the version is 5.6. And Angular version is I'm using the Angular 9. Right. So for front-end development, I have used HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Right. Java is on because this is the Angular side application. So all of the front-end UI we have developed in Angular. Right. All of the business logic integration we have developed in Angular, and all of the backend logic I have implemented in Node.js. Right. So let's start with the functionality. Go through that what we have implemented inside this project. So the project title is Bookshop Management System, and it's a Node.js, MySQL, and Angular based project. Right. And it's a mini project because it has only admin login. Admin can perform certain operations. So after running this project, so there are two types of application running behind it. The first one is a client, second one is a server. The server is developed in Node.js and client has been developed in Angular. Right. Once you run the client and server, then you will get this page. So we are running this project on the 4200 port. Right. If you run this application, just click on the login. Right. So let me show you the login again. So this is the login form. This is the login form. Once you learn the application, this page will be landed. The user ID is admin and the password is test1234. Once you log inside the system, then you will get the dashboard. So this is the dashboard. Here you can perform certain operations. Right. This is a menu bar, and if you can change the width of the page also, you can see the width of the page is getting changed. Right. So this is a book report. You can see all of the books which you have added here. Right. You can edit it. You can see this is the editable format. Right. You can edit and update it. So this is the book report. If you want to delete any book, just hit the delete button and that book will be deleted from the database. Like I am deleting the book number 10, just delete and that item will be deleted. This is add book. From here you will be able to add any number of books. You can add million number of books from this form. Here this is a book type. There are some types here and all types are coming from the database. If you want to change the type, then you can log in MySQL and you can change the type here. The product code, product title, stock total, cost per item, and description. You need to enter all of the details, and after that details will be saved into the MySQL database. This is add cells. From here, this is a sales dashboard. Here you can add the cells. Right. Here you need to enter the customer name like Amit and enter the mobile number of the customer. Once you click on the start sale, you will get the order ID automatically, the order date, customer name, and the customer mobile. Right. Here you need to select the product, means book. Once you select the product and the quantity, then that item will be added into the cart and you can see all of the items, all of the details are coming from the database. Even the cost is getting calculated automatically. Right. So I'm adding two books. So you can see if you want to delete it, just click on the delete and that item will be deleted from your cart. If you want to add any other book, just add. Right. You can see price is getting automatically and total amount is also getting calculated automatically. Once you click on the save sales details, just click on save sales and that whole page details will be saved into the database. You can see this is the whole details and it's coming from the database. You can access it later also. Once you click on the sales report, you will be able to see all of the sales which you have made from this portal. Right. So this is the last one. Once you click on this icon, then the product which you have sold in that order will be displayed here. You can see here. Right. If you want to delete the sales report, just hit the delete button and that sales report will be deleted from the database. Once you click on the logout, then you will not be able to access the internal pages. Right. You can either log out from here or from here. Right. So you can see you have redacted on the login page, but if you log in, then you have redacted to the internal page, means you can perform certain operations. Okay. So this all functionality I have developed inside this project Bookshop Management System. As I told you earlier, this is a mini Node.js, MySQL, and Angular project. Right. So if you need more functionality in this project, just put it into the comment. I will incorporate the changes. I will make this project more better and better according to requirements. And don't forget to subscribe our channel. for getting the latest project videos on the latest technologies. Thanks for watching the video. Thank you very much.